So then after you have done the calibration slides, dissecting low and high power, you know how large your field of views are. Now you're going to use a prepare slide. For the prepare slide for low power, I want you guys to use the paramecium slide that will be at your desks. And you're going to try to employ the quadrant drawing rule. So you can sketch a little quadrant. This helps make sure, what is this doing? This helps make sure that your cells are drawn to the right size scale. Right. So you're not going to draw like a cartoon. You're going to attempt to draw what you see. You do have two choices. You can draw with the colored pencils, or if you prefer, you can draw with a pencil lightly. Okay. And then this will help you. So I'm just using a rough scale through the eyepiece to show what I'm seeing. Now each microscope is different, so each drawing is going to be slightly different based on how big the field of view is. I'm showing you this with a digital microscope, which have significantly different field of view. So don't use this as an exemplar of what you should see. Yours is going to definitely be smaller under low power. And then you're going to draw. So you'll see there's some organelles along the cell, a little bit darker purple, and a little bit larger. You don't have to be an artist to be able to draw these things. What you shouldn't do is this, because you don't actually see that. You don't see something scribbled on the microscope. And try to portray it as accurately as possible. And this is going to be important because it will help you determine whether something's photosynthetic or not. And yes, this may take somewhat longer, but you only have to do one cell. And you're just drawing in one quadrant, then you move on to the next quadrant, trying to portray the colors as realistically as possible. From the virtual lab, you also realize, or you've learned, that the color of the stain helps to identify the organism based on what stains it takes up. So accurate color is extremely important when you're drawing what you see under the microscope.